What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent by the Apex Pass-Around group, so by extension, the manufacturer. It actually was sent, the last person to have it was Big Red EDC. I love that guy's channel. He did a recent response video to my past, present, and future open tag. And it was great. You guys should check that out. There's a playlist on my channel. You can watch everybody's response to it. But you also should just head on over to Big Red EDC's channel real quick and subscribe to him if you are not. It's just like it sounds, Big Red EDC. Awesome channel. Anyways, if you'd like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea for your own unboxing adventures, as you can see here, she's doing a fantastic job. Blame the user, not the knife. But if you'd like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea, there is, of course, a link in the description where you can pick that up for yourself, along with some of the other really great knives that I show on my channel every day, whether they are high-end production knives like these two Spydercos or a budget knife like this Ontario Rat Model 1. There's tons of knives down there. Benchmade, Spyderco, ZT, Wii, everything you can think of, as well as some amazing budget brands. So whatever your itch is, even if you're just looking for maintenance items, there's something down there for everybody. So take a look at my description. Okay, they're like, geez, cut into that package slower so you can talk about your description more. Here we go. I have no idea what this is. I'm never 100% aware. I sign up for stuff, but I'm never... Big Red, you do a great job of packaging these. I'm not being sarcastic. I mean, these knives are definitely... When I get a package from Big Red, I know the knife is safe. Whoa. What the heck is this? Oh, man. That's awesome. This is it's Bestech. But this is obviously something from their upper tier. S35VN. And look at this ano job. Hang on. Let me wipe this stuff off here. Sorry, Rainbow Lady. We're going to save the color spotlight here for the Bestech. Look at this ano job. Wow. Okay. It's not going to be for everybody, obviously, but we have orange and yellow and pink and purple and then some bronze underneath. This beautiful, it's like micro milling on there? Let me see. Sorry, I've got the exposure locked, so there's not a lot of light coming through, but beautiful marble carbon fiber inlay that is sitting in that titanium. Awesome 3D milled pivot there. Very cool. Almost looks like the switch on an OTF. Nice gear pattern backspacer. Another inlay on the other side. This is one of the dressiest. Oh my gosh, the action. Okay, so we've got a compound ground Warncliffe. Yeah, that's fall shut. That, ladies and gentlemen, is 100% fall shut. This is wild. This is very futuristic, very Master Chief kind of. If Master Chief was going to carry something colorful and vibrant. That's a Halo reference for anybody who's not with me there. Anyways, yeah, this is super cool, and we can get that kicked out with the thumb, and you can easily do the reverse flick. This is cool. Nice and thin right here, very thin up there on that secondary grind. Despite having a pretty thick blade stock, that's got to be 150 thousandths or so. Oh man, beautiful. We also have a matte finish down here, sort of that cloudy day finish I sometimes refer to, and then satin flats. Beautiful. Look at that. So for people who want 3 separate lanyards, no, I'm just kidding. You can use any one of those depending on where you want to put your lanyard. I always appreciate that if they're going to put something on there like that. It's nice that they thought of the pocket clips position first and the lanyard triangle holes second, but very nice. This is a very interesting model from Bestech, one that I am definitely excited to talk about. But that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.